Hey YouTube, Will here from All Electric, and today we're taking a look at the 60 volt max 30-inch eTimeMaster personal pace auto drive lawnmower. In this video, you're going to get my complete review. Let's jump right in. Now, first thing first, this thing is a beast. This is a 30-inch. Most regular lawnmowers are about a 20-inch or 21-inch. But what's nice about it is there's limited assembly. It literally rolls out of the box. It does come with a bagger, and the handle is super easy to just tighten up. There's also 3 locking positions of this handle. If you're not using it, you can actually fold it up and it creates a smaller storage space. Really nice addition to this bigger mower. Now, what's special about this versus some of the other Toro electric motors that I have tested is this actually has 3 battery slots. I almost see this as more of a commercial battery lawnmower because of its large size and 3 battery slots. Also, with this mower, you get 2 10 amp hour. These are massive batteries with a big swinging handle, 10 amp hour batteries. So you get 2, and this mower can actually accommodate 3 of those larger batteries. But what's really great is all these batteries still work with all of the Flex Force 60 volt line. So if you have another mower, or if you have a blower, or if you want to operate a landscaping company, you can use all of these power tools to do that. Now, this mower has 2 blades underneath. That's what creates the 60 inch. So they're 2 slightly smaller blades than the regular 21-inch mower. Those work simultaneously to cut the grass, and I think it does a pretty good job with that. It comes with a bagger, or you can install this side discharge that is also included. And the only really assembly thing that you had to do was take off this plastic and hook up this bar that actually turns on the mower. So this is like your safety switch. So if you let this go, the mower will turn off. This is very standard with almost every single mower that is out there on the market. Now, I have used the personal pace on Toro's other models. This is probably, I think, their 3rd or 4th year with this newer personal pace. And I do like this auto drive where you push and then it will go. It makes it really simple versus like the older style. Now, this is a beefy lawnmower. The wheels on this thing are awesome. Not only are they a more solid feeling rubber, but there's also a little trick that they added with this particular mowers. I noticed that the auto drive actually kicks in and prevents the motor from rolling away, which was a problem with my other mower. So nice touch, Toro. To turn this on, you're going to pull the safety switch down and then press the blue button. The blue button does come in as a sort of a key in the box, so you have to install that. Now, other than that, operating this mower is just like a regular mower. It just is a lot wider, so it's going to cut your time. So if it typically takes you, let's say, an hour to cut your grass, then this is going to cut that time, maybe save you like 10-15 minutes. I know on their website they have different percentages, which I can show up here on the screen. Everybody's going to be different in terms of how quickly they walk or how quickly they turn. Maneuvering this thing is definitely more bulky, but it does feel super solid. It doesn't feel like cheap wheels. These wheels are very solid wheels, and it is a simple 2-click adjustment, 1 click for the rear wheel and 1 click for the front wheel in terms of lowering or raising the deck height. You also have a squirt hose hookup here where you can clean underneath the deck. Now, again, it was very easy to operate this. It didn't feel any heavier, and that's because of this auto drive or personal pace system. Now, the one gripe that I did have about this mower compared to the other Toro mower that I have been testing is the bag itself. So this bag was only about halfway full, and you'll see here that it was clogged up. So it did get clogged in there. This grass was not wet or anything like that. I know that sometimes if the grass is wet, it will clog up. But this bag only filled up about halfway. I did test this a couple times, and I did find that it would clog when it got to about halfway. So there might be a design tweak that needs to happen in there. Other than that, if you don't plan on bagging, this thing does an excellent job at mulching because the dual blade system, that grass is just getting shredded underneath there. Now, I don't have that much grass that I'm testing with here, but you can definitely see how well of a job that it does do in terms of cutting the grass. I would say that this lawnmower performs on par with what I expect out of Toro. Toro's been in this market in terms of smaller lawnmowers for over 30 years. And I know that they have so much experience, and so stepping into the all-electric realm, it just makes a natural fit. So they're using a lot of the same parts from their gasoline power mowers on their electric mowers, and so you get that same cut quality that you get with a gasoline power lawnmower. Now, if you are smaller, maneuvering this thing might be a little bit more challenging in terms of just its size. This is a 30-inch, so it's significantly bigger than some of the other lawnmowers that's typically on the market. Definitely like the smaller ones that are under 20 inches wide. This is large. So if you don't have a big yard, go with a smaller Toro mower. If you have a large yard and you don't want a riding mower, or your yard is not big enough for a riding mower, then this 30-inch mower might be the one for you. Now, I think what's going to turn a lot of people off is this price tag. Right now, on their website, it shows $1,899. That's pretty expensive. But if you consider the huge batteries that you get that you're able to use in your other power tools, so if you have a snowblower, you can use those batteries in the other power tools, then I guess the $1,900 price tag isn't too awful, although it is significantly more than the other ones. Now, where I think that they're marketing this towards is those commercial people that are going to be using this every day, cutting grasses for other people. Now, one thing I want to mention again is its maneuverability. You can see how I maneuver around this tree. It's definitely a little bit more bulky. It's still very doable, but I think that it might be too heavy for the traditional user. But like I said, this is probably geared towards the more commercial user. In that case, this makes a lot of sense. If you're going to operate a landscaping company, it's going to save you so much time. If you have, let's say, 5 yards to cut in a day, every day, this is going to save a ton of time added up over the week. If you want to pick up one of these mowers, click the link right below the like button. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As always, see you in the next one.